Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and in today's recipe, we're going to be making a French onion soup. If you want some more information, please make sure to check out the description box below. You're going to have the whole recipe, ingredients, steps, all that, so check that out. So I wanted to point out that little candle I have on the side there. So when I'm cutting a bunch of onions, I like to have a candle on the side just because it helps me not tear. So that's kind of one of my hacks. I'm not sure if it'll work for you, but it works for me. So yeah, give it a try. Let me know what you think. Also, when you're cutting your onions, make sure that you are cutting them into thick slices. If you cut them too thinly, they will burn quickly because we're going to be cooking them for a long time. So just make sure to cut them thick. Now, one thing that annoys me is mincing garlic. It's just so tiny and it takes too much time. So I like to use garlic tools like this. This is like a press-on garlic tool. You just scrape it and you've got minced garlic. It is so easy. Makes my life easier. So definitely recommend getting yourself a garlic tool to cut your cooking time in half. All right, so you see right there, I put the lid on. Just a quick tip, that is a mistake. When you put the lid on, it will make the onions sweat. Yes, it will make them sweat, but the condensation will build up in the top of the lid and it'll just drip back down. So it's gonna double your cooking time. So I recommend not to do that. So keep watching. Now, once the moisture of the onions has cooked out, the fond will start to form. That's how you know that you are gonna be almost ready for the liquid. So just make sure to keep an eye on that. Alright, I love a good sizzle. Okay, so now we're going to be deglazing with some white wine. Now you can use red wine, whatever kind of wine you want, or you do not have to use alcohol, so keep that in mind. Now make sure to season to your liking, and then we're gonna add in some stock. So I'm using a combination of beef stock and vegetable stock. You do not have to use beef stock. You can use fully vegetable stock, whatever you'd like. But I kind of find that it does give the soup a little bit more complexity, more flavor. So make sure to add in your stock. You can also use some homemade stock, but you know, I don't got time for that. So I'll take what I can get, you know. Now, typically French onion soups, you know, you've seen them. They're usually in the oven with the cheese and the bread and all that. But if you don't have time for that, or if you don't have oven-safe bakeware, I would just say just have some soup and make some cheesy bread and then just plop it on top, and that's it. It's the same thing. It's going to be soggy, chewy, delicious, cheesy bread. Yeah, all that. I like to toast my bread before I rub some garlic on it. I just feel like the warmth of the bread will kind of like melt that garlic oil, and also it has like those, you know, rough edges for it to actually like rub the garlic on it. So just make sure to toast it first. Voila, French onion soup. Soup de France. So this is my French onion soup. It is so delicious. I really hope that you guys give this recipe a try. I'm just basically having a French onion soup photo shoot. Look at that, beautiful. All right. And that's my video. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe if you haven't. Give this video a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. But wait, what's this? Who is she? Find out next week and you'll see. I'll give you a little hint. XOXO, Shell's Kitchen.